Welcome to my channel Notes of Pharmacy. Today our topic is thin layer chromatography. It is one of the most important topic and repeatedly asked question in exams. Coming to the introduction. Thin layer chromatography is similar to paper chromatography except that a thin layer of some inert material such as Al2O3, SiO2 is used in place of paper. A layer of uneven oxide is made from a slurry of powder in a suitable solvent. Slurry is spread evenly over a flat surface, that is glass or slide, and dried it. It is spread manually or mechanically. Coming to the principle. Similar to other chromatography methods, thin layer chromatography is also used for separation. The separation depends on the relative affinity of components towards stationary and mobile phase. The compounds under the influence of mobile phase, which is driven by capillary action, travel over the surface of the stationary phase. During this moment, the compounds with higher affinity to stationary phase travel slowly. The compound with lesser affinity to stationary phase travels faster. The separation of compounds in the mixture is achieved. Coming to the methodology. In these 8 steps are involved: selection of adsorbents, selection of solvent system, preparation of TLC plates, activation of TLC plates, preparation and application of sample, development of chromatogram, visualization of components, evaluation of chromatogram. First one, selection of adsorbent. In this, various coating materials are used as adsorbents in thin layer chromatography. Alumina, silica gel, cellulose, kieselguhr, silica gel alumina 1:1 ratio, and activated cellulose, polyamides are used. Adsorbent selection based on few factors, that is chemical nature of compound to be separated, that is acidic or basic components. Next, solubility of components, characteristics of properties of compounds to be separated, chemical interaction of compound with adsorbent, addition of adsorbent to plate, particle size of the compounds. Addition of adsorption to plate is improved by adding suitable binders such as gypsum, starch, etc. Presence of a binder in adsorbent indicates by suitable alphabets. For example, gypsum, capital G, silica gel G and alumina G. Starch, capital S, silica gel S. Inert fluorescent materials such as zinc silicate can also be added, as these produce fluorescent upon UV exposure, help in easy visualization of the spots. The adsorbent containing fluorescent indicators are written with subscript. Number indicates wavelength of emitted fluorescent radiation. Silica gel G F254 and alumina F254 and so on. Second one, selection of solvent system. The solvent system or mobile phase used in TLC is selected on the basis of 4 factors. First one, chemical nature of the substance to be separated. Second, chemical nature of the stationary phase used. Third one, type of chromatographic mode used, that is normal phase or reverse phase. Then fourth one, type of separation to be achieved, that is analytical or preparative. Examples of solvent selection: petroleum ether, carbon tetrachloride, trichloroethylene, benzene, dichloromethane, chloroform, diethyl ether, diethyl formamide, ethyl acetate, pyridine, acetone, and propanol, ethanol, methanol, formamide, water, glycol, and glycerine. Then third one, preparation of TLC plates. In TLC, preparation of plates with thin and uniform layer of adsorbent is important to achieve greater resolution and efficiency. Slurry or suspension of coating material is prepared with a suitable solvent. That slurry or suspension is then applied onto plates, generally by 4 methods: pouring method, dipping method, spraying method, and spreading method. Ready to use plates or pre-coated plates are commercially available. Then fourth one, activation of TLC plates. Before use, adsorbent in coating plate must be activated. That is, liquid in adsorbent must be evaporated. Activation is done by drying the plates, initially in air for 5 to 10 minutes, then heat them in an oven for 30 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius. Then fifth one, preparation and application of sample. The sample to be analyzed is dissolved in a suitable solvent. Organic, that is non-polar solvents with low boiling point such as methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, acetone and so on are preferred. Micropipettes or microsyringes are used for applying the sample onto TLC plates. Microsyringes for quantitative analysis, micropipettes for qualitative analysis. Line of origin should be marked with a pencil on a plate at a distance of 1 to 2 centimeters from its end. Sample should be applied on the origin. The amount of sample depends on the thickness of adsorbent. Next, sixth one, development of chromatogram. In this, development tanks are used. Development tanks are rectangular in shape, composed of either glass, stainless steel or plastic. Pre-treatment or complete saturation of chamber with vapor of mobile phase is essential to development. Completely saturated atmosphere have following advantages like it gives straight solvent fronts, reduce the development time to 1/3 and provide reproducibility to RF value. Some development techniques like ascending or vertical development, descending development, multiple or repeated development, stepwise development, and more are available. These techniques will be briefly explained in next video. Then coming to the seventh one, visualization of components. In this, methods of detection are possible by physical methods and chemical methods. Physical methods is also known as non-destructive. Chemical methods is also known as destructive. In physical methods, UV method, iodine chamber, fluorescent compounds, radioactive labeled substances are used. Advantages of TLC. Advantage of using inert substance over paper is that strong acids can be detect the compound without destroying the substance. A wide variety of mixtures such as amino acids, dyes, drug food colors, sugars, insecticides and natural products may be separated and identified. TLC is also used for microanalytical studies. For example, a mixture of Ru, Rh, Pd, Ir and Au are semi-quantitatively separated by TLC. The technique of TLC was first introduced by Ijmailer and Schreiber in 1938. If any doubts, ping me in comments. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Notes of Pharmacy. Thank you.